Welcome to PrintHeart, where your printing needs meet unparalleled quality and affordability. At PrintHeart, we offer a comprehensive range of services tailored to meet your every need. Printing and finishing, from documents to marketing inputs, our precise printing and finishing services ensure your projects stand out. Digital business card. Say goodbye to traditional cards and hello to seamless networking with our digital business card solutions. Passport, visa, and ID photos. Capture your best look for travel and identification documents with our instant and compliant photo services. Professional resume services. Elevate your career prospects with our expertly crafted resumes, cover letters, and LinkedIn profiles. Why choose PrintHeart? Because we're committed to providing you with the best at affordable prices without compromising on quality or service. With us, every small business can dream big, knowing we're here to support you at every step of your business journey. Experience excellence in printing with PrintHeart. Contact us today to bring your visions to life.